In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate a grand total automatically in Google Sheets on desktop. Whether you're managing a budget, tracking sales, or simply organizing data, knowing how to sum up your numbers efficiently can save you a lot of time and effort. First, open your Google Sheet. Once you've got your sheet up, you'll need to decide where you'd like the grand total to appear. Look through your sheet and select an empty cell. This is where your total will be displayed, making it easily noticeable for reference anytime you need it. Now, let's get into writing the formula. Click into the chosen cell and type the formula SUM range. You'll need to replace the word range with the specific cells you want to total. For instance, if your numbers are listed in cells B2 through B10, you would enter EOM SUM B2 B10. This formula acts like a command, telling Google Sheets precisely which numbers should be summed up. Once you've entered your formula, press Enter. This action is crucial. It instructs Google Sheets to execute the formula and show the grand total in the cell you selected. You should see the calculated total appear immediately. One of the fantastic features of Google Sheets is its dynamic nature. The formula you just set up will automatically update if you add or change any values within your specified range. Let's say, for example, you add new sales figures into this range or adjust an entry. Google Sheets recalculates the grand total for you without needing any additional input. This real-time updating ensures that you always have the most accurate and up-to-date information at your fingertips, making it an incredibly powerful tool for maintaining exact data representation and accuracy. And with that, you've successfully learned how to calculate a grand total automatically in Google Sheets on your desktop. This simple process can make a substantial difference in how you manage and organize your data, providing both ease and efficiency. Remember, setting up your sheet correctly the first time saves you from future hassle. And this straightforward sum formula is a foundational tool for any spreadsheet user. By mastering this, you open the door to exploring even more complex features Google Sheets offers. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been really helpful for turning your Google Sheet into a more functional and powerful tool. Don't hesitate to revisit this technique whenever your sheets grow in complexity or when you're trying to evaluate new sets of data. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on using Google Sheets effectively.